Hey guys, so every morning I like to start on my makeup by moisturizing my face. I love this because it's perfect for my oily skin, and every time I wear it I can see a huge difference. Then I just apply some eye cream. It's super refreshing. And I also find that it makes my concealer apply easier.
When you press me to your...
For a more natural makeup look, I like to skip my foundation and I only apply concealer. Lately, I have been using this L'Oreal concealer. I love this concealer because every time I wear it, my skin looks so healthy and dewy. Then I like to grab my beauty blender and blend my concealer away. And we can't forget about setting our concealer. My favorite setting powder recently has been this Fit Me Loose finishing powder by Maybelline. I love it because it's really affordable and it's really good, guys. Now for bronzer, I always tend to go with my Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer, and I like to apply it on my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. Then I like to go with this Luxie brush and I'm just blending everything out. For blush, I'm taking this Alamar Blush Trio palette. I'm taking this pinky shade. It's called Paraíso. For highlighter, I like to use my Pretty Bulgari highlighter. I love this highlighter because it gives my skin a very natural look, which I love. For eyeshadow, I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm taking this light brown shade and applying it on my crease, and I blend it all out with a brush. Next, I'm taking this Butter London palette and I'm taking this really pretty gold shade. I love this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is really good. It makes my eyelashes so long and really natural, which I love. For lips, a more natural tip is to use the chapstick. I have been using this Glossier lip balm in the shade Sherry, and I love it because it leaves a red tint to your lips, making them very natural. To set my face, I like using my Marvadescu setting spray. It's so refreshing. And lastly, I like to set my brows in place with this ColourPop gel. Alright guys, that completes my natural everyday makeup look for back to school. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!